Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix lag or low FPS for Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on PC, and let's get started. So the first thing I want you guys to do is open up Steam. From Steam you want to go to Library, and then from Library you want to look for Call of Duty and right click on it and then click Properties. From here you want to basically just go to Installed Files, and then from Installed Files click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And basically, once this is done verifying, you should be good to go. Just make sure it's just fully, done. And yeah, another thing to keep in mind is that another reason why you might be having this issue is because you actually haven't downloaded shaders. And I've experienced this as well before. If you don't download shaders and you just go into a game, it literally drops you off at like 1 FPS. So once you're in game, I think it's like on the top left or top right, it just says like shaders, pre-shaders downloading. Just let it download. And once you do everything, you should be good to go. And I also do recommend restarting your PC as well. Yeah, once you do all these things, you should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.